Hello everyone, welcome to Engineer's Palette. I hope you all will be doing well. So today we'll be creating this 2D sketch, 2D drawing. We'll be covering almost all the tools that we have studied and some new tools that we haven't studied we'll look in this video. Okay, but before creating your sketch, whenever you create your 2D sketch or 2D drawing, these reference lines are very important. They assist you a lot uh, when you're creating your drawings, 2D drawings. Okay, now first draw it roughly, then we'll add dimensions to them, starting from the 3-point arc slot here. The third point is here, and now the width. Now circle tool, one circle over here, one over here, one small circle, the bigger one. Now why am I adding these center lines? I will tell you later. From here to here. Okay, now a line tool, here to here to here, and now this and this and this, one here, and there. Now let's add dimensions to them. First delete this one. Now smart dimensions. Here is radius. This radius is 60 millimeter. Yeah, 60 millimeter, and this 13, this 15. This angle is 60 degree, and okay, let's make it. Now before adding these dimensions, let's make this horizontal. This is already horizontal, and this is also horizontal. Make sure that from the hide and show items, view sketch relations, that these relations will be known to you. Okay, now what will we do? This center point should be on this reference point. Make them coincidence. Okay, now it is at the center, and also this 60 radius is from the center, so means this distance should be 60 millimeters. So the radius will be from the center point. Okay, like this is from the center. Oh, sorry, it's 69, not 60. Yep, it is 69, and this is also 69. And okay, now add 13, radius of 13 millimeters. This is the diameter of this is, I think, 15. Yep, it's 15. Okay, diameter of this is 15, and diameter of this is 38, because the radius is 19, so diameter will be 38, and diameter of this is around 14. It is 14. Not 14, I think it is 13. Yes, it is 13. Diameter of this is 13. Sorry, not this one, but this one. Diameter of this one is 13. Okay, yes, here is diameter, and here is diameter of this one, which is 10. Okay, now this distance is 10. Overall it is 20, but from the center it is 10. This is also 10 from here to here. This is also 10 degrees. Now one more thing, is this slot should be symmetrical, so this angle must be 30 degrees, and overall angle is 60 degrees from here to here. It is 60 degrees. Now it's symmetrical. Now this arc is symmetrical, and distance from here to here is just I think 49. Let me check it again. It's 49, it's 60, and here it is 90. It's 61, sorry. From here to here it is 61, and from the end it is 90. That is 90. Okay. Um, this angle is 70 degree or 75. Yep, it is 75 degrees. This angle is 75 degrees, and this distance is 15, because it is 30 overall, so from the center it will be 15, and from the center this will be 25. This is how much? This is 25. Okay, so these were my dimensions. I think we are done with it. Yeah, we have done. Okay, now make this and this equal, because they both are equal, so I can separately add dimensions to it, but I'm making it equal radius. I make them equal, so whenever I change the diameter of this, will automatically change. Okay, so I'm done with it. Now one thing is left, which is the height of this, and height of this is determined by the angle, which is 14 actually. Here it is. So the angle between them is 28, so when we divide it into two parts it is 14. Okay, this angle is 14. Okay, now uh, yes, we are done with it, and now use the fillet command. Fillet, I want to add the fillet of 5 millimeters here, and they all are same. Okay, that is a 5 millimeters fillet over here. Yes. Okay, I can also add fillet of 5 millimeters here, but I want to do it by some other method that you should know. Okay, construct a circle. Its diameter should be 10 millimeters, because the radius is 5, so diameter will be 10 millimeters. Now what we need to do, we need to select this circle, and now this line. Okay, make them tangent. Now click it here. That now again select this circle and select this arc and make them tangent as well. Now what we'll need to do, we'll need to trim command, power trim, remove this one, unwanted areas that we don't want in our sketch, and this one as well, and here is another, this one as well. We'll not we also don't want this part and this center part, but welcome. come to that, because first we need to mirror that. Yes, now we'll use the mirror command. Mirror command means that whenever you need to select a center point, a reference point, a center line or a reference line, um, and we'll mirror entities about that line, and the line should be coplanar. Okay, mirror entities, I want this, 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 and okay, first mirror about, I want to mirror these all entities about this line. So I'm selecting now, and I think I have, yeah, this, and now this one and this one here. Now I'm done with the mirror. Okay, so they are all mirrored now. You can check, they all are exactly mirrored about this line here. So this is how mirror tool works. It make things easy for you. Now you can see what is the angle between them. It should be 28 degrees. Yep, it is 28. It has to be 28. Okay, now these dimensions, these relations look pretty odd, so we'll need to just hide them. Okay, now what we need to do, um, delete this, this is unnecessary. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to trim the extra. I need to trim from here, trim this one, trim this one, trim this one, and trim this one also. Sorry, trim here from here. Okay, yes, yep. So this is my final sketch. You can check it from here. This is our final sketch. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. If you have a problem in some other sketch, you can also ask about that in the comment section. I will try to clear that question, that problem. I'll see you in the next video with some other sketch, or we'll just move to the 3D. I think we should move to the 3D. Then after that, we by creating 3D sketches and 3D tools, we will learn all these things. Okay, so this was all about the sketch, the 2D. So we'll start 3D in the next video. I'll see you in that video. Take care, and please like and share our video with your friends, and do subscribe to our channel.